Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in today. This is Mike Makers. Today we see how to make catapult with popsicle sticks. So it's gonna be pretty easy with your kids. So this is something you can do with not too much. So to start, we need popsicle sticks. We need a rubber band, a mini cup, a glue gun or glue. The thing is, the glue is faster. It's quicker to dry. So that's why I'm using it. But you can also use glue. So I want you to grab 7 or 8 of those popsicle sticks. So we have, let's see, I think about this. So you grab one side and turn it like this. Now I want you to grab another one. Have a look here, and you put it in between the last one and all the masses, and you put it kind of in the middle. Take another one and you put it just right here. Now what I want you to do, I want you to grab a rubber band and do it like this. Yeah, there we go. Now we have our mini cup, so usually you can find them at grocery stores like Safeway, all these things. And I want you to put glue here. I want you to glue it like this. There we go. No, now I want to grab a piece of paper. Let's wait like 1 minute. Here we go. It should be dry now. Right now. Thank you for tuning in today. So please subscribe and more video to come. Thank you.